Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in to your account. On the main screen, tap on the Buy and Sell option. This will take you to the section where you can purchase Ton. Next, tap on Show All to see all the available options for buying Ton. Select a service provider from the list, such as MoonPay. Tap on Open MoonPay to proceed with the purchase through MoonPay. Alternatively, you can choose another service provider like Transact. Tap on Buy Ton under Transact. Enter the amount of Ton you want to purchase. The app will show you the equivalent amount in your local currency. Review the payment details, including the amount you want to pay and the amount of Ton you will receive. Once everything looks correct, tap on Buy Now to complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase. This may include entering your payment information and confirming the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully bought Ton using the Tonkeeper app. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.